All right, here we are at the prime signatures break for auction 621. Here's our list. Nick got the extra spots that were unsold, the Bucks and the Seahawks. All right, got our sealed box of prime signatures right here. Remember, if you did buy this on eBay, if you do not get a card, you can trade your soft sleeve in for a free drawing spot. Please let me know whether you want your soft sleeve or you want your free drawing spot for next month, as this month is tonight. We got one pack of prime signatures, empty box. Good luck, everybody. Hope we get something nice out of this tonight. All right, here we go. We got a Anquan Bolden, numbered to 499. Next card is a Peyton Manning, numbered to 499. Next card is a Pete Retzlaff. That's for the Eagles, numbered to 499. Little eagle right there. And our hit is a Lovely Redemption. That will be card Panini Prime Signatures. Prime Signature Platinum 169. That sounds kind of good. Let's see what we got here. Prime Signatures Platinum. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, somebody's going to be really happy. I do want to double check. Let me double check this because the checklist is very weird. Before I say who this is, I'm going to check the checklist real quick. The online checklist, which is much more dependable, or not dependable, but will show me what it is. We got a Prime Signature Platinum. All right. It is confirmed. That is a Troy Aikman number 220 autograph. That will go to the Cowboys. Ducky with the huge hit. Troy Aikman number 220 auto. That is actually a gold prime signature. So prime signature platinum, that may be a 101. I'm not sure because it's not showing on the checklist the platinums. It's showing the gold prime signatures 169 is Troy Aikman number 20. So that may be a 101. Very sick. That may be a 101 because it does say the prime signatures platinum. I would throw the, if you are here live, I will throw the checklist into chat. You guys can take a look. That may be the 101. Very nice hit for Ducky. Awesome. All right, well, that's a nice way to start off there. Huge hit for Ducky. I have about 5 to 10 minutes more of preparing to do on our spreadsheets for our drafts. We're going to do the free drawing and everything tonight, so it's going to be a fun night.